Today I'm going to show you everything that goes into my minivan and how much I spent on all of it, so stay tuned. I am beginning with water bottles. Here are 2 of them, and here are 2 more. I have 2 10 by 10 room size mosquito nets. This is my 120 watt solar panel. This is my Coleman cooler and my portable toilet. Underneath all of these items is my camp table. That is my roof rack, which I have not used yet. I have 4 bottles of propane. That is a propane 2-burner stove that I have never opened or used until today. I opened it to see what it looked like. It's not bad. These are microfiber towels that I bought. That's my camp chair. I have several tarps. This is just 2 of them. This is a 5 by 8 mat that folds out that goes on the ground next to your van. That's a pack of 4 emergency blankets. And in here is all of my connections, magnets, bungees, you name it, it's in there. Cocoa Core composting for the toilet, and this is my dog's bed. It's a fold-up bed. This is the Wagon Tech 14-liter cooler warmer. It's on my list. This is my privacy tent. On top of my little kitchen that I made here, we start with the USB faucet, the sink bowl, the collapsible tea kettle, the measuring cups. The set of spoons came with this, and I'll show those to you in a minute. This is the cookware set. Over here, you can see that I've got my Berkey out here. Then we move to the dishes that are collapsible, this set right here. These are collapsible bowls that I got. This is my utensil set, and the measuring spoons that come with the measuring cups are right here. And I've added the silverware that was in this set right here over to this spot. We have my sleeping bag. It's a 4-season sleeping bag. A 12-volt fan. Back here are safety equipment in here, headlamp, binoculars, a compass, those kinds of things. This represents all the window coverings I've made. This is the bedding that I've purchased for the van specifically. And this rug right here. And that rug right there I have purchased for the van. Inside the van are the curtains that I bought, 3 pair of curtains. We have the rest of the bedding and the blanket that I purchased specifically for the van. The mattress, which has now been trimmed down to 3 cushions specifically for the van, and the cushion covers. Also, I bought several packs of these puzzle pieces for insulation. That fan right there is a purchase for the van, as well as 4 of these bamboo air filters. The fairy lights that go all the way around the top of the van were also purchased just for my van. The wind is picked up. So there's my portable shower. I'm using that in my house right now because I don't have any hot water. This is my solar shower that I bought before the portable shower, and these are the trunk mesh nets that you can Velcro. And of course, the ever-present collapsible bucket in everybody's YouTube videos. And last but not least, both of my power stations. 500-watt Blue Eddy and a 200-watt, whatever that is, off-brand, Flash Fish. Fire extinguisher as well. Forgot the collapsible sink. There are a couple of things that I didn't show you that are on my inventory here that are in the car. It's my windshield cover that goes on the outside. It has 4 layers to it. It keeps you cool in the summer and warm in the wintertime. And then my battery cables are under the seat, and my compressor I've had for years, so I didn't count that in here. I don't even think I have my battery cables on here. But the total cost of everything that you saw today came to $2,144. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this spreadsheet into a PDF, and I'm going to make a link for the PDF. I hope this will work. We'll see. And it's going to have the links for every single item that you saw today in the description box below. So if you click on the link, you should be able to open up a PDF file. I'm praying and hoping this works. And be able, if there's anything that you saw that you want to buy, then you can go through my store and get it on Amazon, and I get maybe a penny or two for every purchase made, and you don't even know that you did it. So yeah, this is the cost of everything that I have bought, and I will, again, like I said, put all the links in there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative to you, to show you everything that I have purchased for my minivan, to live in my minivan, which I don't do. I live in my RV. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscription button, give that notification bell a tickle, and the thumbs up is really, really important. I still hardly get any thumbs up for the people that watch the videos. I'd love to increase those thumbs up so I get spread out there more to other people. My videos, not me. I don't get spread out, but the video does. All right, we'll see you in the next one.